Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by making Logic see your keyboard. Connect USB or MIDI and verify it in Audio/MIDI setup. Once done, open a new project and create either a software instrument track for virtual synths or an external instrument for hardware. Make sure the track input is set to your keyboard device and enable Record Enable so Logic accepts incoming notes. If you want to hear the sound, enable input monitoring. Otherwise, use headphones to avoid bleed when recording acoustic elements. This gets you now focus on latency and recording options so your performance feels tight. Open Preferences Audio and lower the I/O buffer to 128 or 64 samples for minimal delay. Make sure CPU load stays stable. In the track inspector, choose MIDI recording mode. Overwrite if you want clean takes, merge to layer. Activate low latency mode when using heavy plugins. Enable the metronome and a 1-bar count-in to lock tempo, and arm punch-in if you plan to fix sections without redoing whole takes. Hit record and play. Use cycle mode for looped comp takes so you can comp the best phrases later. Once you have material, open the piano roll to tighten timing with quantize, adjust velocity for dynamics, and add CC for sustain or mod. When you're happy, bounce in place or export stems. If you experience audio dropouts or glitches, make sure drivers are up to date, increase the buffer size, or freeze tracks to free CPU. That single troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.